Hello, and welcome to Destined Beyond Belief, a gentle space where your spirit feels safe, seen, and supported. Today, we are focusing on reparenting affirmations, gentle words to soothe, comfort, and nurture your inner child. Find a comfortable place, breathe slowly, and allow these kind and healing phrases to wash over you. You can repeat them aloud, say them in your mind, or simply receive their warmth. Close your eyes if that feels right. Take a soft, grounding breath in and out. Let your body settle into a feeling of safety and kindness as we begin. I am safe and held in this moment. I am worthy of love and gentle care. My feelings are important and honored. I listen to my inner child's needs with kindness. I give myself permission to play and imagine. I comfort my younger self with compassion. I am patient with my healing journey. I celebrate small steps with joy. I create loving boundaries that protect me. I trust my inner wisdom and intuition. I nurture myself with tenderness every day. I forgive myself and choose growth. I allow my emotions to be seen and felt. I accept myself exactly as I am today. I am deserving of safety and belonging. I honor my past and welcome healing. I speak to myself with gentle words. I embrace curiosity and wonder. I give myself permission to rest. I welcome love into my heart and life. I am proud of how far I have come. I soothe my anxiety with mindful breaths. I trust my capacity to heal and grow. I am kind to my inner child in every choice. I celebrate my unique inner light. I allow joy to return to my life. I am connected to my true feelings. I express my needs with clarity and courage. I am deserving of consistent support. I invite calm presence into my days. I listen with compassion before reacting. I create safe spaces for my emotions. I honor my boundaries with loving strength. I choose self-respect in how I treat myself. I cherish my memories with gentle acceptance. I give myself patience as I learn new ways. I meet myself with warmth and understanding. I allow love to heal old wounds. I validate my feelings and trust them. I am free to be playful and spontaneous. I create rituals that comfort and nourish me. I believe in my inherent worthiness. I teach my inner child that love is available. I accept care and receive support graciously. I honor my boundaries without guilt. I trust the safety of my inner world. I am growing kinder and more compassionate. I am gentle with myself in times of change. I hold space for my healing and growth. I am whole, loved, and evolving every day. Take a slow, grounding breath now. Feel gratitude for the care you have offered yourself in this moment. Know that you can return to these words whenever your inner child needs reassurance. Thank you for joining us and for taking this time to be here with us. If these affirmations supported you, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with someone who could use gentle encouragement, and leave a comment with your favorite affirmation. Your presence matters, and your healing is sacred. Until next time, continue to treat yourself with patience, tenderness, and belief in the beautiful person you are.